So I am about to start getting ready. I'm going to be out in the city all day, and I want to show you guys how I will be prepping for this. There will be ton of temptation, let me tell you, ton of temptation. And I want to make sure that I'm full off of my juice and I'm fully hydrated. So I want to show you guys how I prep for this, especially when I know I'm going to be out with friends
who are not on a juice fast.
So I'm about to go ahead and do my makeup, get dressed, and yeah, come on.
I don't know what it is about juice on the go, but it seems like time goes by much quicker when I'm prepping and juicing for the road. I usually use my mason jars for my juices, but since I am on the go, it's more convenient to carry something that I can easily toss in my purse without it weighing me down or any of that. I also don't like carrying around a large mason jar because my juice tends to get warm when I take too long to drink it. The smaller glass bottles work better for me, so that's what I typically go with when I'm on the go. Also, I like traveling with a glass of water and also a small cup of ice in a mason jar. Sometimes I don't want my juice and I would rather have water, so I like to make sure I have that as an option. I don't like getting water from restaurants while on a juice fast because oftentimes it's not filtered and I don't like that. Also, I bring ice with me because when I get hot, sometimes I want a colder drink and I want to be able to add ice to my juice. And not to sound weird, but I definitely need my glass straws. Nothing special about it. It's just my preference. For me, it's about convenience and comfort. So I do what I have to do to feel comfortable as possible. Whatever works for you, do it. I'm in my car about to head to my friend's house to park my car because I don't like driving in the city. I like riding in the city. I don't like traffic. And I also have one of my juices here because I am going to drink this on my way over there. And the goal is to just really stay hydrated and just feel full because I know how it is in the city. I know they're going to want to eat and, you know, do all of these different things. And I want to be able to feel like I have something and feel full because the temptation, I'm telling you guys, is real. I'm well on day 65 or 66. I can't remember. I have to look at my calendar. But I'm on one of those days. And baby, it's been a long time since I had food, like a minute. So off we go. We are now headed to the city and I'm ready to enjoy a day out with my friends. Even though I live here, I'm never in the city, so it feels like a staycation whenever I go, and I'm always noticing something so crazy when I'm out here. But I'm a little sad though because my favorite vegan restaurant is down here in the city and I'm not eating right now. I'm sad. So I'm in Victoria's Secrets because I need to get some because some of my stuff don't fit anymore and I need to be able to get something that fits, okay? So unfortunately, they didn't have anything in here that I liked, so I think I'm going to try Macy's. I need to get some lotion too because I don't ever have lotion. I be ashy all the time. So I got some items. Now I'm in Forever 21 because I need some bottoms. Like, your girl is getting smaller and smaller. Ooh, these are fire. These are cute. So I don't think y'all understand how like ashy I was. Like, your girl needed lotion bad. So I had to get some from Victoria's Secrets for real. See, I like slacks. This is my type of wear. So these are shorts and I may just get these because, oh my God, they're super flowy and you can put like stockings or something under it. Oh my God. I'm for it. I'm getting it. This is the top, but no, it's too cold for that. I'm gonna just get this and wear it with a nice black shirt. Hey. So I don't think I told you guys that my birthday is on Friday and I'm low-key kind of shopping for that too because your girl gotta look cute on her birthday, okay? And I'm on a juice fast. Like, I need to invest all my time and energy in something. Let that be shopping. So today I'm recording with my iPhone because, yeah, so convenient. Their mirror is so dirty. Look at this. Oh my God. Fingerprints everywhere. I like my boots. I love these boots. I actually got it from this store like 2 years ago. I love these boots. And these shorts, I want to show you guys another view. Like, aren't they cute? Oh Oh my God, I can't wait to put these on. It turned out to be a lot of walking, and I did not have on the proper shoes for it. So let's just say I was done at this point. Our last stop was at CNN because one of my friends from Africa really wanted to go. So we stopped by there, and that's where I had my last juice. And I made it to the bathroom because it be like that sometimes. So I am back from hanging with the girls, and of course I had to stop by the grocery store because guess what? I got a juice again. It never stops. It never stops. So let me load up my car. Oh, my hair is itching. Y'all, it's been a long day. So I'm about to load up my car, and I will speak with you guys when I get home. So let me just say one more thing, because I think that this is a major misconception that, you know, the hardest part of a juice fast is drinking the juice because you want to eat food. That is not the hardest part. The hardest part, I wouldn't even say hardest part. The most challenging part is the time management part of it.
Because juicing takes time, okay?
Like, I've been juicing all morning to be out all day, and I'm back at the grocery store again to juice again. And it's a lot. It really is a lot, but you have to be committed. And I used to juice prior to this. I never went on a juice fast, but I know the process of juicing. So I knew that the volume would be like high as far as like being in the kitchen and, you know, more time committed to the process. And I was prepared for it mentally. So I'm not giving up. I'm just letting you guys know that you will have moments like I'm having right now where you just really don't want to just continue to do it. Buy fruits and vegetables and go back home and juice. But it's a part of my routine, so I'm kind of used to it now. It's like a bittersweet. Like, I'm kind of used to it, but then at the same time, it's like sometimes you do get kind of lazy, like, oh my God, here we go again. But at the same time, I don't want to wake up and not have juice. Like, I need juice when I wake up, because that's the worst feeling in the world, is getting up and you don't have any juice. You have to juice to be able to drink juice. I don't like that. And I know some people drink water when they get up. I like drinking juice when I first get up. I feel like the fruit really wakes me up, and it just works for me. So yeah, if you really want to go on a juice fast, time management is what you need to practice. Okay, time management. I am back home. I'm comfortable. I have my apples here. I'm about to start juicing. I'm in a better mood now, even though I still need to do my nightly workout. I did cardio earlier this morning, but I didn't get to weight train, and I love to do some type of strength training throughout the day. Well,
at some point in the day.
so I am going to wash these up. I have some cilantro and parsley. I have about a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bundles. I'm going to juice these, and already have me a juice right now, because your girl always have to have a juice on deck. Right now it's pretty late, but there are things that needs to be done. And when I wake up in the morning, I want to feel like the majority of the work is done. I don't want to wake up to a lot of work, like juicing and prepping. I don't want to wake up to that. I want to go ahead and get it out the way for tomorrow, because usually I try to do it 2 days ahead, but sometimes I get in the mood of wanting fresher juice. So I think I'm just like up to 1 day, like the night before. So I'll talk to you guys on my birthday, which is this Friday, because I want to take you guys on a journey of how my day is going. And by that time, it will be day 70 for me. So a lot to come on my next vlog. So make sure you subscribe, make sure you stay tuned, because like as I go through this, I want to share my journey, because I noticed that I couldn't find a lot of journeys on YouTube. Like, a lot of people may tell their story once it's all over, and I want to be able to see people as they go through it. And so I'm trying to give insight as I go through it to be helpful to you guys. So make sure you stay tuned. Day 70 and birthday is coming up. I want to show you guys how I'm going to be celebrating. Bye.